and Loisy Talk Photography. Maraming salamat. And to all the other suppliers who have been part of the wedding day of Mike and Lynette's Road to Forever. And we are still having some photo opportunity with our newlyweds together with our Savage Trio band. Hope that you folks are still enjoying the sumptuous dinner prepared by our newlyweds as well as our couple, Mr. Mike and Mrs. Lynette Candac. It's part of the program. While you are still enjoying the dessert, we will be proceeding to the next part of the program. And there you have it once again, our lovely couple, Mr. and Mrs. Candac. Coordinators here so that you can get a peek. And as they say, it's better to give than to receive. A little blessing will